you guys got first at the parade for 4th of July. Good work on that.
Thank you.
What'd you come in with, and what was kind of the process?
Pinched nerve in my neck, and I could barely move my arm.
Did you trust us at first?
I was leery.
Be honest.
Yeah, I was leery.
Yeah, she was not very excited. She didn't think, she was kind of one of those, she's like, I'm gonna come when I want, or like, I'm just gonna kind of maybe do one at a time. But ultimately, how did the process then go?
Oh, great.
You leaned in a little bit.
Yeah.
Gave in.
Trusted you a little bit.
And that's
Put
all.
my faith in you.
And it's all good, right?
And now I'm good.
Cool. We'll go ahead and start here. So now she's onboarded into our wellness program. She did the wellness community, so she knows what it means to stay 5 stars, stay tip-top shape for her brand and her business with the cleaning company. Would you say cleaning's easy on your body or hard?
Hard on the body.
Yeah. All right, so even, of course, under maintenance, the body undergoes a series of stress, and so right now we're picking up the left hip distortion with Nicole right up through here. Good. So less input, less of a big side posture is needed with Nicole. We cleared the hips, leveled them out there. Now they're clear through there. Just a little distraction through the hips. Good, nice. So unlock the ankle, knee, hip. Good. Let's go on your back. And because Nicole's adjustments have been going so well, like on her back, we're actually gonna move her up into this chair. We adjusted you over here yet?
No.
Oh wow, first time, all right. All right, so you can graduate your adjustment into the chair once you've done so well on your back. Puts us in a little bit different posture. Let the head go. There we go. Okay, so right side. Drop the head. Nice. Breath in. Breath out. Drop this way. Oh,
that felt great.
Boy. Nice. Beautiful, Nicole.
Thank you.
Much needed?
Yes.
All right, until next time.
All right.
Tell Matt
thank
what's
you.
up.